guys, welcome to our Kritika Pitara. So in today's session, I'm going to tell you that how we can install over their React app. So for that, we have to follow the further steps. Step by step, I'm going to explain in this that how we are going to do it. So here we go. Now we have to open a Google and install Node.js. After installing a Node.js in your laptop or in your PC, then what we have to do? We have to open any of a terminal or a command prompt in our laptop. Now we have to write over there certain properties or certain commands to install over there are npm install. So for that there are going to be certain commands and specific names we have to add it to define our project. So after creating it, it's going to automatically open our Visual Studio. It will take over there a certain time to install it. Then we will get over there the host key. So how we can see that our develop server is there or not. So for that, when it's open the Visual Studio, we have to click on the new terminal. First of all, on the top of the bar, it shows the terminal. Then we have to click new terminal. Over there, we have to type over there npm start. So it's going to take over there a little bit time to install it, and it's going to automatically take you to the browser. And over there, you can see the default server is running, and they're going to be the host key will be there. So that's going to be the process of installing a